what if I told you that one drop could cost you your brand new Pixel 10 Pro? That's exactly why today we're exploring 12 shockproof military-grade cases built to shield your phone from life's toughest falls. Welcome to my channel, stick around, and don't forget to grab your favorites through the links in the description. The number 12 product on our list is Janmitta eavy Duty Shockproof. It's shocking how one accidental slip can shatter both your phone and your peace of mind. And that's exactly where this heavy-duty case steps in as a real problem solver. Built for those who demand drop protection beyond ordinary levels, it combines a tough PC back with a shock-absorbing TPU bumper, delivering the kind of military-grade durability that instantly makes you feel your device is truly safe. The sliding lens cover is more than a detail. It's reassurance that your camera won't suffer from scratches or collisions, while the raised bezel adds another layer of daily defense. The built-in metal kickstand doesn't just look cool, it's practical, letting you watch videos hands-free while staying sturdy on any surface. It even comes paired with a tempered glass protector, giving you all-round shielding. While it sacrifices wireless charging, the sheer relief of knowing your phone can withstand daily chaos makes this case a smart, confident choice. At number 11 is CASEKOO, patented 360 spin magnetic. Not all protective cases manage to blend toughness with real-world usability, yet this patented spin design does it effortlessly. The moment you pick it up, you notice how slim and refined it feels. But beneath that sleek profile lies military-grade drop protection tested against thousands of falls, giving you the kind of confidence that makes carrying your phone worry-free. 360-degree rotating stand changes everything, offering flexible viewing angles whether you're working, streaming, or hands-free cooking, and it's crafted to endure daily use without loosening over time. Its powerful magnetic hold makes mounting and charging seamless, solving the common frustration of weak connections that slip at the worst times. What makes it stand out in the lineup of shockproof and drop protection cases is how it balances rugged security with stylish ergonomics. The grip lock ridges and stain-resistant back keep it both secure and clean. If you want protection tested for comfort and engineered for versatility, this case earns a solid recommendation. At number 10 is TORRAS Q3 Spin 360 magnetic. Some cases protect, but few transform the way you interact with your phone, and this one does it with flair. The 360-degree spin stand is more than a gimmick. It's freedom in your hands, letting you shift from vertical calls to horizontal binge-watching with smooth precision, tested over thousands of rotations. The powerful magnet system adds another layer of relief, locking accessories and chargers with a strength that eliminates the worry of slipping off car mounts or breaking connection mid-charge. What's impressive is how it keeps a slim, modern look while still offering military-grade drop protection, absorbing impact and shielding edges without adding unnecessary bulk. Compared to other heavy-duty cases in the lineup, this one manages to strike a rare balance between versatility and toughness, giving users peace of mind without compromise. For those who want everyday confidence, functional design, and proven protection in one, this case feels like the smart, lasting choice. At number 9 is Spigen Rugged Armor MagFit. When a case manages to feel sleek yet carries the muscle of true military-grade drop protection, you know it's built for more than looks. This rugged design instantly impresses with its slim TPU frame and carbon fiber accents, giving off a modern, professional vibe while still engineered for real impact defense. Inside, the spiderweb shock absorption pattern and reinforced corners work together to disperse drops, leaving you with peace of mind in those everyday slip moments that can turn costly fast. Its Magsafe compatibility is another win, offering smooth accessory use and stable charging without frustration, something many protective cases fail to get right. The raised bezels give cameras and screens extra shielding, while the matte grip locks comfortably into your hand, tested for real-world comfort without adding bulk. If you're searching for a balance of style, toughness, and reliability among today's lineup of heavy-duty cases, this one confidently deserves your attention. At number 8 is OWKEY Magsafe Bumper. Sometimes a case feels like just an accessory, but this bumper proves it can be a true guardian of your phone. With military-grade drop testing that withstands thousands of impacts, it brings a sense of relief every time your device slips from your hand. knowing the shock-absorbing corners and reinforced edges have it covered. The magnetic alignment is powerful and precise, making wireless charging smoother and more reliable without constant repositioning, a frustration many users face with lesser designs. Add to that a 9H screen protector and raised camera guards, and you're getting all-round defense without compromising usability. What really impresses is the balance. It stays slim, stylish and comfortable to hold, enhanced by a matte finish that resists stains and fingerprints compared to other heavy-duty options in the lineup of shockproof and drop protection cases. This one delivers toughness with elegance. For anyone seeking safety without bulk, it's a smart and confidence-boosting choice. And number 7 is Ruky Magsafe Protective Privacy. Protection and practicality rarely come together in one sleek design, but this case manages to do it with ease. Built for those who demand more than basic safety, it combines military-grade shock absorption with a slim, stylish profile that feels comfortable and secure in daily use. The built-in magnetic alignment is powerful, locking onto chargers, wallets and mounts without wobble, giving you that dependable connection you can trust on the go. What truly sets it apart in the lineup of heavy-duty cases is the integrated privacy screen protector, finally solving the problem of nosy strangers in crowded places, offering peace of mind every time you use your phone in public. Its anti-slip grip keeps it steady in hand, while the lightweight build avoids the bulk so many rugged cases struggle with. While not made for every model, for Pixel users seeking safety, convenience and discretion in one, this case delivers genuine value. Number 6 is JAME Military Grade Shockproof. There's a certain peace of mind that comes with knowing your phone can survive the unexpected, and this military-grade case delivers exactly that. Built with a dual-layer design of hard PC and flexible TPU, it absorbs shocks and resists scratches with a toughness that stands out in the lineup of heavy-duty protective options. The 360-degree rotating ring stand is more than just a convenience. It's a daily upgrade, letting you stream, work or mount your device securely in the car without compromise. Raised edges around the screen and camera give added defense against scratches and drops, while the anti-slip, anti-fingerprint finish ensures it stays clean and steady in your hand. It doesn't support wireless charging with the case on, which may be a drawback for some, but the trade-off is uncompromising durability and reliable functionality. For users who value rugged strength and practical versatility, this case feels like a confident, worry-free choice. Number 5 is BXYJY Rugged Shockproof. Carrying your phone without the right protection feels like walking on thin ice, and this rugged case removes that fear instantly. Built with military-grade strength, reinforced airbag corners, and a dual-layer blend of PC and TPU, it's engineered to survive drops and shocks that would shatter lesser cases. What makes it stand out in the lineup of shockproof and drop protection options is the convenience it adds. A built-in card holder with RFID blocking that replaces bulky wallets while keeping your information safe. The sliding camera cover is another clever touch, shielding lenses from scratches and dust while giving you quick access when it's time to capture a moment. Raised edges around the screen and camera add even more peace of mind, while the textured, matte finish delivers grip and comfort tested for real-world use. Though it doesn't support wireless charging, the trade-off is serious durability and everyday practicality, making it a confident choice for those who want reliable safety with smart design. At number 4 is ATATOO Military-Grade Protection. When protection meets practicality, you get a case that feels less like an accessory and more like everyday insurance, and this design embodies that perfectly. Built with military-grade toughness and a 360-degree airbag structure, it's tested against thousands of drops, giving you the kind of relief that makes accidental slips far less stressful. What makes it stand out in the lineup of shockproof and drop protection options is its smart wallet integration, holding cards securely with RFID blocking technology, replacing the need for a bulky wallet while keeping your data safe from theft. The sliding camera cover adds another layer of reassurance, protecting expensive lenses from dust and scratches while giving you quick access when needed. Its textured grip and precise cutouts prove it's tested for real-world comfort, fitting naturally into daily use. While wireless charging isn't supported, the trade-off is unmatched durability, security, and convenience. For those prioritizing strength with everyday practicality, this case is a confident recommendation. The third one on our list is TORRAS Magnetic Mil-Grade Drop Protection. Some cases protect, others add style, but this one manages to deliver both with a confidence that feels reassuring from the very first touch. Built with certified military-grade protection and TORRAS X-Shock cushioning, it absorbs impact like a shield, giving you peace of mind in those unpredictable drops that could otherwise ruin your day. The slim magnetic stand is cleverly integrated, tested through thousands of folds to ensure durability, while offering smooth, hands-free viewing at any angle, whether you're catching up on a show or handling work calls. Its magnetic hold is impressively strong, gripping accessories and car mounts with ease while keeping wireless charging fast and efficient, solving the frustration of weak or inconsistent connections. What makes it stand out in the lineup of shockproof and drop protection cases is the way it balances sleekness with strength, tested for real-world comfort without adding bulk. For those seeking durability, convenience, and a polished look, this case delivers on all fronts. On number 2 is TORRAS Magnetic Shockproof. Some cases feel protective, but this one feels engineered for confidence in every situation. Built with dual-layer magnetic strength using advanced Halbach mag technology, it locks onto chargers and mounts with precision, solving the constant frustration of weak connections and dropped signals. What makes it stand out among heavy-duty shockproof and military-grade drop protection options is the smart balance of rugged defense and sleek usability. Its 12-foot certified protection with X-Hock cushioning absorbs real-world impacts while staying slim enough for everyday comfort. The raised lips around the camera and screen add peace of mind, protecting the most fragile parts of your phone from cracks and scratches. Even the customizable buttons and matte finish show thoughtful design, giving users both durability and style in one package. It doesn't compromise wireless charging either, working seamlessly where many magnetic cases fail. For those who want security without sacrificing elegance, this case feels like the right and lasting choice. Now, moving to the last one is FNTCASE Magnetic Matte Shockproof. When protection meets magnetic precision, you get a case that feels more like armor than an accessory. This shockproof design is built for real-life accidents, offering 14-foot military-grade drop protection with reinforced corner airbags that absorb impact before it ever reaches your device. The difference is instantly noticeable. The magnetic hold is nearly 7 times stronger than standard cases, ensuring your phone stays securely attached to chargers and mounts even on rough rides. Add in a tempered glass screen protector, and suddenly scratches, smudges and cracks feel like problems of the past. What makes it stand out in the lineup of heavy-duty drop protection cases is the matte finish that feels smooth in hand while resisting stains, keeping your device looking fresh no matter how often it's used. It's slim, practical and tested for real-world comfort. For those who want peace of mind wrapped in style, this case makes a compelling, confidence-filled choice. So guys, this was the video about the 12 best Google Pixel 10 Pro cases, shockproof/military-grade/drop protection. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.